Hi guys, so today I want to speak about boom of stupid e-com videos. I think you see on YouTube this video like how I become a millionaire on this simple business idea, how to start your business with Shopify, work remotely from your home and make a lot of money. So I'm a real entrepreneur. I try to sell some goods and I want to explain you why this business will not work in the real life. First of all, your wholesale price will be lower than somebody's retail price. For example, we have a company Toilets Kings what produce toilets. They have some large wholesale distributors. Large wholesale distributors sell it to small wholesale sellers and they sell it to you. So you pay for 20% margin for small distributor, 20% margin for large sale wholesale distributors. So you pay at least 30%. And I just don't count taxes because in every state and every country there are different taxes. And you just can't afford a price lower than large wholesale distributors. And you really think that they are so stupid that they can't sell it by themselves? I don't know, guys. I think everybody can make a shop in Shopify and sell some goods, but large wholesale distributor have a lot of resources to just kill your shop what will sell same product. The second is like a philosophical question. Why does the market needs you in this chain? Big distributors can sell goods by themselves and just come on guys, why? What your role in this chain? What unique value proposition you give to people? You think factories can't sell their products by themselves? And just try to imagine yourself in a customer role. You see the product on TikTok, you want to buy it, and for example, it's not like Labubu. It's, for example, phone. Will you buy it in some strange shop what has no reviews, what you don't see before, or you will buy it in the normal shop for normal price? Because you as an entrepreneur need to have some net profit, but you from the first point we understand what you will not have any net profit. So why the market needs you? And the third, when I was working in consulting, we have a project for a really large company what have two really big factories and they can produce so much furniture what they can meet the needs of all the Europe. And we were searching for new distribution channel for their new product. And I can't find the answer why they don't sell it from the website or from the Russian Amazon. Just why? You can sell it in Amazon and everybody will buy it. You will be like the top one seller in Amazon. So the answer of the CEO was, first, you need to freeze a lot of money in goods. Now they are selling the goods only if somebody want to buy it. So a large distributor come to them and say, we need, for example, 1 million of furniture, and they produce it. But if they decide to sell it in Amazon, they need to first produce and second sell. So it's not interesting for them. The second, they need new supply chain. New supply chain costs a lot of money because you need to buy new vehicles, hire lots of staff, and just plan the supply chain, what also costs a lot of money. So why we need it? And the third is commissions of e-com companies. You pay a lot of money from your revenue for Amazon or any another website like Amazon. So when you become really big, you just don't need it because you can do what Amazons give you, but just by yourself. And in Amazon or all these little e-coms, you'll have net profit, just a little net profit. When you become bigger and bigger, you must open your own website, you must hire staff, you must make supply chains, or you just be the little boy. And so, if the factory don't want to deal with Amazon or any other e-commerce, are you sure what it will be good for you? And now, how to make really good money selling some goods? I think it's 99% of success. First of all, it's remote locations. For example, mountains. I was in the mountains and I need to buy some stuff for construction. And there aren't any construction shop because it's fucking mountains around the villages, horses, and 100,000 of people in it. So you can find the city what don't have shop like construction shop or toilet shop or something like that. Just buy the product and make a supply chain to it. And if there aren't any shop similar to yours, you'll become a monopoly on this small market. So next, you should spend some time to automate your business, and after, for example, year or 2 years, you'll have passive income, passive shop. The second is scarce goods. For example, meat of crab in the middle of desert, Japanese soda in Slovenia. So the idea is to import into your country some product what people don't eat actually, and in the location what where the product is really rare, so people don't see it and they will buy it because it's just something new experience. For example, I live in the capital of my country and we don't have truly farmers food, absolutely green meat and all stuff like that. My friends start to bring natural products and sell it in the local fair, and just people buy it because it's something new, it's something interesting. The third is all small markets where there aren't any competitors. For example, your neighborhood doesn't have any, I don't know, auto parts store, and you can open a small store with goods what every car owner needs every week. And I think it will work, but also I said it earlier, you'll have a really small money from it, but it's okay for start. And the main idea is you can make lots of money only if you make a unique market offer. All these stupid e-coms don't have any unique features. When you find this offer, you can start to make a really good money.